Hi Andre, sorry for using this very crude method. Use another handphone to take video of this trade. Okay, so you actually got 38.5 put 5 lots, I mean sell away 5 lots. Then you open by buying 39 put 6 lots, and again you actually sell 41 put 3 lots. Okay, so because all those numbers, if you were to realize, all the lots number are not tally. So in order to make things simple, right, actually I would plan to maybe close 38.5 put 5 lots together with probably 5 lots of 39 put, so 5 lots each. Then in the end you actually have one additional lots left over for 39 put. So the additional one lot that's being left over, so in the end we're going to close together with 41 put. Okay, so first of all we're going to begin with this two. So you can actually check the box, check the box for this two 39 put and 38.5 put. Then you choose this close selected. Okay, so because initially you actually have 6 lots of 39 puts, right? So because we are saying that we have to actually make the lot number tally in order to ease the closing process, so probably you by clicking that just now, I mean by clicking this one, just click on the area, then initially is you when you close the trade, is actually automatically shown as -6 put. Okay, because you got 6 lots, so it automatically just help you to key in the number for all your lot number. So but we only want to close 5, so another one to leave it to close it together with 41 put, so we can change the number to only sell away 5 lot now. Okay, so now the number is tally, so we are going to sell away 5 lots of 39 put, and we're going to buy 5 lots of 38.5 put to close this trade. Okay, so you can actually scroll to the bid and ask price area. Then you can see, let's say 39 put now is bid price 11 cents, ask price 12 cents. Okay, let's say you only want to sell it at 12 cents. Okay, so we just memorize that we're going to sell at 12 cents. Now 38.5 put is 9 cents and 10 cents, so probably you only want to buy at 9 cents. Okay, so which means this one you are only willing to sell at 12 cents, and this one you want to buy at 9 cents to close the trade. So the two together, because 39 put is the higher one. Okay, so you are going to sell at 12 cents, so we are going to collect 12 cents premium. Then but this one's by selling away, we sell at 9 cent premium, so which means from closing one lot of this trade, actually the difference between the premium is 3 cents. Okay, 3 cents. Then now we have 5 lots, so you can actually see over here we got 5 lots to close. Then let's say each lots you want a 3 cents difference between the two of them. Okay, so you can actually change to 3 cents. Okay, okay, so over here this one, because 112.4 is actually each lot 3 cents $30, then 5 lots is about $150. But I think this paper money commission is this much, so actually in the end we're only going to get this $112.40 by closing the whole thing after deduction of commission. So if this is correct, 5 lots and 3 cents, the difference between the two options that you will select. So in the end you can actually just confirm. Finally, you can check on the last page over here. So same thing here is we are going to close at 3 cents. Then 5 lots, so we know that 3 cents 5 lots is $150. Okay, CR credit $150, which means this trade is entered correctly. But then of course minus off commission, so in the end by closing this 5 lots of trades, so we are going to only get $112 from the the real money being credited back to our account. Okay, so this is by this is closing by combo. Okay, then we can paper trade and send it over. Okay, so it now will go to the working area. Okay, so it's here. So currently you can see that actually currently the two of them, 39 and 38 put, the mid price is 0.02, but we're queuing actually at 0.3. If you want to, actually you can just edit it back, cancel, replace order. And you can, if you want to immediately get done, probably you can just change to 0.02. Then you are happy, and again confirm and send the order over. Okay, check credit CR $100 and paper trade. I mean that's for demo account. Okay, I think it's already done. Okay, so if that's the case, you can just check it here, field. So 5 lots sold, 0.02. So this trade is already closed. Okay, so now we already closed, which means you already got no more 38.5 put, because initially you got 5 lots. Now that we already closed it, so you can go back here and see 38.5 put. Okay, sorry, I mean 38.5 put is already successfully closed. That's why you got 0 lot over here already. But just now initially got 6 lots of 39 puts, but we only closed 5 lots just now together with this. So now you got 1 lot in excess for 39 put. Okay, but just now 41 put we left aside that we didn't really touch it yet. So now we are going to close the two together as one trade. Okay, just close it. Okay, so check again. Because initially you got you sold 41 put 3 lots. Now you are going to close it back, so it's a plus 3 lots of 41 put, which is correct. Then just now got 1 lot in excess, the buy put for 39. I mean the 39 put 1 lot. So now you want to sell away. So plus 3 minus 1, which is correct. So again, we're going to scroll to the bid and ask price area. Okay, so from here you can tell that for 41 put 1 lot now mid price is 21 cents. Then for 39 put now 1 lot is about, probably let's say you want to immediately get done, you might want to sell it at 11 cents. Okay, so 41 put the premium will be higher, which means now you need to buy. So you need to pay 21 cents to buy, but then your sell put 21 cents to buy per lot. But now you're going to buy 3 lots to close this trade, which means you need to pay 21 cents times 3 is 63 cents. Yes, 63 cents premium you need to pay to close 41 put. And by selling 39 put 1 lot, let's say you're going to your intended selling price is 11 cents. Just now it was 63 cents, now minus 11 cents, which is 52 cents, which means you need to pay a net premium 52 cents to close this trade. Okay, so just I think initially it put it at 54 cents for you. So now that you know you actually only wanted to pay 52 cents to close this trade. Okay, so you just change it back here, 52 cents. So 52 cents I think is you need to pay actually $520, but then plus commission. So this is the price. Okay, but then the last one to check is this page. Let's say you are already okay with the entry here, then you go to confirm. So once again, just now we know that you need to pay $520 to close it. Then because now it's no CR, no credit, which means this is the price that you're going to pay. I mean you need to come up with the money to close this trade, then minus commission. So altogether, by closing this 3 lots of 41 put and 1 lot of 39 put with commission together, you need to pay $535. Yeah, so this is closing by combo. Okay. Yeah, again it's get done, probably because it's paper money, that's why it's faster. Okay, so same thing, check again. So you actually close, because it's a custom trade, it's 3 lots to 1 lot. Then yeah, you actually bought at 52 cents. Okay, so all correct. So if you want to close by combo, this is the way to go. We actually need to sort of like know what's the mid price for, or what is your intended selling price or intended buying price for each option. Then you manually calculate the difference between the two, whether it's a credit or it's a debit. Then finally, when you finally key in, you just make sure that the entry is correct under the lot size area and also the price area. Okay,